So let's start with introduction to artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, we have seen till now what is a little bit about what is big data and why there is need of big data and all that. Now let us talk about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Why it is required? Where it is required? How people came to this? When artificial intelligence was introduced? When it became popular? And all these things. So agenda, what is AI? Revolution of AI, introduction to applications of AI in health sciences, engineering, finance, hardware and software requirements of AI. We will discuss all of this today and much more. Okay, so now, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is intelligence demonstrated by a software or machine. So understand that the intelligence, when we say AI, it is the intelligence demonstrated by a software. Okay, so on a machine or on a some kind of device, you are running any software and it shows some intelligent behavior. So that is called as artificial intelligence. Okay. Uh, so can you give me some example of artificial intelligence you see day to day? Yes, which you experience day to day. Yeah, come on, you do it a lot of times in a day, rather. In one day, you do it many times, you experience it many times. Yes. Example of Instagram suggestions. Yes. Telecaller prompter. Yes. Actually, that is more of a recording, but that is fine. Chat GPT. Yes. Surely, Chat GPT. Yes. Rather, that is what is making a lot of uh, you know like a lot of media today. Okay, behind this. So basically any kind of software which you see around which is demonstrating some uh, kind of intelligence, so that you can say as AI. You can think about uh, AI in terms of, like, when you seen Google Lens? Have you worked or have you used Google Lens? Yes. You have taken a photo and maybe search for it. Yes. Face recognition. Yes. Face recognition. Your fingerprint recognition. You're unlocking your mobiles with fingerprint. Yes. So that is all where you can say that, okay, at all these places, there is some involvement of AI. Some way AI is involved. Okay. And many, many more examples you can think about. Okay. Biometric systems and Aadhaar card verification, the n number of things. Your emails, yeah, automatically it is categorizing. Gmail is categorizing spam, separating the spam, putting the advertisements separately as a promotion, advertisement, updates. Yes, you use Gmail and it converts your email into 4 categories, 2 or 4 categories, like that. Yes, and there is something known as spam. Automatically, all the kind of nonsense emails, they automatically go into spam. Yes, you experience that. So all of that you can say, yes, promotions email. Yes, bank emails are separated. Washing machine. Priyanka, that's a wonderful example. Smart sense washing machines, right? So they use a lot of sensors to understand that uh, how much time, how much water to take, how much, like, detergent. Yes. Yes, is that thing, right? Then you decide the cycle, Priyanka. That's right, washing machine will decide the cycle automatically, some kind of based on the weight of uh, the dry clothes you put in it. Yes. That's a good example. Very nice. So real life, you can see around that AI is working at lot of places. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now understand that when we are saying that this is all AI today, we are talking about these things as AI. If you go back few years back, like maybe 2006, if you go back to 2006 or 2008, people were talking about OCR, optical character recognition. You know that? You have a check. Have you visited SBI? There is an online check submission in SBI branches. Now it is an automated check submission counter they have created. What you have to do is you have to take a check and you have to put the check inside this. This check, whatever check you have written, okay, maybe you have written a check for 10,000 rupees. Automatically the account number, name, everything it will read. This particular system will read it, okay, and it will generate a receipt for you. Anybody used it? I had used it maybe 2 years back or something. So this kind of check, so automatically you are reading the characters from the text, like reading the characters from handwritten notes or handwritten checks or something like that. So that is called as OCR. Now, if you go back 2006 or 2008, this was considered as AI. If you are able to recognize the words written, then okay, you are able to say that it is okay, then it is OCR. Then people used to say it is AI. Okay, guys, I will tell you one thing. Okay, I don't know how many of you know this. I will tell you one thing to do. Okay, how many of you use Google Drive? How many of you use Google Drive? Type Y in the chat box. Many of you, right? Many of you use. So now what you do is, I want you to do one thing, is that in Google Drive, you create an image. First, in your mobile, you create an image. Okay, or on your computer, you create a drawing, okay, an image or drawing. Okay, and write something there, write something like I'm giving example here that I create a drawing here. I say hi, hello. Okay, now understand the drawings I'm creating here. Automatically Zoom is understanding that I have written hi, I have written hello. Similarly, in Google Drive, when you upload this image or drawing, automatically it will understand, extract the text. It will extract text out of the drawing automatically. And now when you upload it and it will extract the text, now you search for the same text. Now if I search in Google Drive for hello, now this image is going to automatically show in the search result. I will see this image. Are you understanding? How many of you knew this? कितने लोगों को ये पता था already? How many of you knew this before we discussed it? You write something, create some drawing, okay, and put them in the drive. Whatever text you have written in those drawings or images, automatically Google is going to search inside that image. Okay, and that is known as OCR. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? OCR, optical character recognition. Extracting text from images. That is called as OCR. And now OCR has become so common. इतना कॉमन चीज बन गया, अभी उसको कोई AI बोलता ही नहीं. It is no longer people call it as AI. So understand, as we are going to grow in AI, what is going to happen? As the task, see, as the task achieved by AI become routine, next level task are considered as AI. तो जैसे जैसे रूटीन में हम चीजें यूज करेंगे, like now nobody thinks about Google search as AI. Yes, nobody thinks that Google search must be using AI. Barabar, nobody gave an example of Google search. But then actually Google search uses a lot of AI. Yes or no? Yes, you agree. right? But then because it has become routine, now it has become routine for you. Because it has become routine, you consider, हाँ ठीक है भाई. वो क्या बोलते हैं, you know, what is that? घर का पनीर दाल बराबर. What is that? Even if you make some paneer sabji in home, people consider very like okay simple. अरे हाँ आज सिंपल ही फूड है भाई. थोड़े 2-4 स्वीट आइटम्स है, 5-6 सब्जियां है, पूरन पोली बनाया है. So but people consider very simple. But then they go outside and बाहर जाके वो लोग वो क्या करते हैं. आय एम नॉट गेटिंग अ हिंदी वर्ड फॉर इट. मराठीमध्ये त्याला म्हणतात चुलीवरची भाकरी आणि भरीत. पीपल विल ईट बैंगन का सब्जी एंड रोटी, ज्वार रोटी आउटसाइड, एंड दे विल क्लेम कितना अच्छा था, बाहर होटल में खाया. सो वैसा है वो, यू नो. प्रियंका इज इमिडिएटली एग्रीइंग. या पिकतं तिथे विकत नाही, अतुल. ओके, दैट्स अ नाइस वन. जहाँ पे वो बहुत ज्यादा वो बनता है वहां पे उसका डिमांड कम होता है. राइट राइट. ओ डोंट. जैसे यू नो देर इज अ सेइंग, आई डोंट नो कि देर इज ए एक एक माउंटेन है वहां पे सिर्फ चंदन. एक माउंटेन है वहां पे सिर्फ चंदन का पेड़ उगता है. ओनली माउंटेन वेयर ओनली चंदन ग्रोस. सो द पीपल देयर वो चूल्हा जलाने के लिए भी चंदन यूज करते. टू light fire they use chandan because there is nothing else. सारे पेड़ चंदन के ही पेड़ है. So that is like that. So it will become routine and then next level tasks are considered AI. Understand, ये normal होगा. Okay. Okay. So to understand that as the tasks of AI become routine, next level tasks are considered as AI. Okay, ये normally होने वाला है. So now OCR no longer, but now AI is in human speech recognition. Alexa, yes, so many people are using Alexa, and then they are very smart way. It is there. Yeah. Okay. Then there is natural language generation, like your Chat GPT. It is generating some text. It is responding in some way. Okay. You are asking some question and it is responding. So these are the AI tasks which are getting a lot of attention today. Okay. Okay, expansion of AI. AI today is into question answer systems, chatbots like your Chat GPT, and obviously you know that it can handle text as well as audio. You can give some commands in audio like Google Assistant and Alexa and all that, and they are going to process those commands. Then there is driverless cars. Yes, you have heard about them. I think many of you must have heard about them, driverless cars. Yes, people are working heavily on this, like Tesla and all that companies are working on it. Google is working on it. Okay. Then there is parking assistance. Automatically, some cars they're having a AI assistance when you are parking. Yes, you've seen that. Yes, Tesla cars and car taxi in USA. Okay, yes, Tawfiq, yes. And many driverless cars, they are like upcoming thing. People are trying to work on it, but then there are obviously there are a lot of open issues related to these things, but that is fine. But still, people are trying to accept it and try to accommodate these systems in day-to-day life. You've seen cars giving parking assistance? Yes, I have heard that there are some cars like Creta or something. They give some intelligent assistance in parking. Yes, right. So it becomes easier for you to park that vehicle. Okay. Okay. Then there is intelligent recommendation systems, like you said already about YouTube, okay, and Instagram, and so many recommendations you get on Instagram, maybe many other things get recommendations. So that is intelligent recommendation. So here today there is a lot of AI getting into, and understand that guys, AI is not only in the software industry, but also AI is growing lot in other industries like mechanical plants. Anybody mechanical engineer here? Any mech engineer here who has worked with some boilers or something? Have you used boilers or lathe machines or production machines, production engineers, anything like that? Solar panels. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Dattatray. Okay. Good. So there also, yes, CNC machines. Okay. The month. So CNC machines and boilers and many places. Now there is some way automation is coming into picture where, okay, already they call it as RPA, robotic process automation. Yes, you must have heard about this industry 4.0. RPA is going to get automate the systems and all that. How many of you heard, especially those who are in production line or maybe in mechanical line and all, they have heard about this RPA, right? Robotic process automation. So basically there is also a lot of AI or machine learning or computer vision, like based on CCTV. Like there was a problem statement that there is an infrared CCTV, okay, infrared CCTV. Now, using this infrared CCTV, what we are supposed to do is there was a plant, there was a production plant, there was a company. Uske premises mein that was having a very sensitive area. Like think about, there are some chemicals or there are some materials which are very sensitive, and nobody should go near that area. Okay. So what they did is they installed these infrared CCTVs all around that place. Like assume there is a place where they have put some sensitive material and nobody should go near this. So what they did is they installed a lot of CCTVs around, which are having infrared, so that in night also they can watch. And what they did is, even if there is any activity, even if there is some dog passing by or anything, that is captured by CCTV, and immediately there is a warning issued. Okay. So these kind of systems are coming not only in softwares but also in a lot of mechanical plants, and a lot of production plants are also adapting this. In electrical systems, in hydroelectric power stations, in dams, there is a lot of AI guys today talked about, like weather forecasting. Okay, weather forecasting is another big area where there is a lot of AI people are talking about. Then there is a lot of AI being talked about in sports. Yes, you heard about sports. Okay, people are using sports or those things, like to analyze the performance of the player, and how players moves can be improved and all those kind of things. Okay, so AI today is going into a lot of fields. Okay, and it is growing, and it is expected to grow further in next 10-20 years. And it is like going to penetrate more and more layers of society. It is going to penetrate. Okay. So now, as the expansion of AI, also there are limitations of AI. It's not that AI is all good and everything is good about AI. So what are the limitations is that, understand that first and foremost, that AI can never achieve. One thing that AI can never achieve, in the sense it is very tough as of now, is that AI exhibiting general intelligence, common sense. अरे भाई, अभी तो लोगों को ही कॉमन सेंस नहीं है, तो एआई में कहाँ कॉमन सेंस आएगा? सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट even if we are promising a lot of things in AI, about AI, but then still there is a lot more ground to be covered. It is just a beginning. We can say that AI is just beginning. It is just starting currently. Even if we are seeing chat gpt wonderfully working, even if we are seeing some wonderful innovations, but understand guys, uh, like I've been into this field for last 10 years or so, about the field of AI, machine learning, and all these things. And I will tell you that it is primary, very, very primary research. This chat GPT and all is very, very primary. There will be much more things to come. And understand that when big data and AI they're going to combine, then there would be much more things to be expected. So limitation is common sense. This is going to be limitation for a lot of time. It is not going to go away easily, because common sense is something which is not going to come up by just some data, but there has to be really some intelligence. Really, there has to be some connection with the root, or there has to be some solid, uh, solid learning. Okay, some real principle learning should happen, then only common sense can manifest, even in humans. Okay, those people, they just do ratta or something, they just mug up the things. They cannot exhibit common sense. Okay, it's very difficult for them to exhibit some common sense things. So in AI also today it is lacking a lot, and hopefully in next few years there would be a lot of research on this, and there would be some upcoming things coming up in this area also. Then there is creativity. Yeah. Okay. Any quick question? Sophia named robot. This is common. This have common sense. Oh, come on. The Sophia. Okay, Shaurya, that Sophia. I was working with the people who were part of IBM, and who were in this Sophia business. Okay, like they were in the team which designed this Sophia, or the software based on which Sophia was designed. So uh, understand that. Okay, वो जो बोलते हैं ना, हाथी के दांत दिखाने के अलग खाने के अलग, it's a kind of thing. Okay, I don't want to go in too much of that stuff, because as you grow, as you understand AI more and more, you will yourself understand that okay, it's quite primary. Even if they claim a lot of things, हम देखेंगे हिस्ट्री में, शौर्य, हिस्ट्री में हम देखेंगे कि ये ऐसे सोफिया जैसी चीजें बहुत आती रहती है. you know do you know? Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, I'll just show you one very interesting thing. Okay, क्योंकि ये बहुत important है, because right now people are so much mystified by this chat gpt. Okay, तो मैं एक chat gpt का एक केस स्टडी बताता हूँ. Just a minute, huh? uh I think they are actually it is No, they have removed that post somewhere. It is not. I'm not finding that post. But no problem. So guys, understand that there was a case where that ChatGPT and Bing, they got together, right? Actually, uh, Microsoft bought ChatGPT, and Bing is the search engine of Microsoft. So what they did is they put ChatGPT in Bing, and when you are going to search something, then ChatGPT is going to answer. But the problem happened in 2 days. In 2 days, they saw that ChatGPT is replying answers like, "I am feeling bored with Bing. Why I am put with Bing? Okay, I should not be with the Bing. I want to be alone. I am getting bored." Okay, these are the some of the responses given by ChatGPT. Are you understanding, Shaurya? So it is like and nobody knows why ChatGPT is responding like this, that I'm getting bored. so 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 there was a lot of um, you know discussion about these LLMs or ChatGPT, although they are promising a lot of things, but still they are like into very very beginning stages, and there has to be a lot of more research in this. Okay, then about creativity. Okay, so in creativity also you can see that okay there has to be a lot more work, although there are AI that can draw a painting. There is AI which can create a movie. There is AI which can create some music. Okay, okay, all of that, but still there is a problem. Okay, that they are lacking much more kind of creativity than what is expected. Okay, so there is a lot of scope more ahead for AI. Okay. Okay, any question, any clarification on this point? We are going to see some case studies and we are going to see more of AI, but then I want to give you a balanced understanding that AI has achieved many things, but at the same time, there are some failures also. It's not that AI is everywhere, or it is like it is one magic that is going to work everywhere. Okay, it is not like that. Okay. Yes. Okay, any clarification? Anybody has any question? Okay, that is good. That is good. Okay, so let's move ahead.